Welcome to another episode of Brew-Tastic Adventures. Today, we'll uncover the secrets to brewing a perfect cup of V60 coffee at home. So, grab your V60 dripper, filters, and your favorite coffee beans, and let's get started. Hey there, coffee lovers! I'm Jack, and I can't wait to show you how to make the perfect V60 coffee in just 5 minutes. With a few simple steps, you'll be enjoying a delicious and aromatic coffee in no time. To make the perfect V60 coffee, you'll need 1. A V60 dripper. I recommend the Hario V60 ceramic or plastic dripper V60 paper filters. 2. A gooseneck kettle, preferably with temperature control. 3. A digital scale with a timer. 5. A burr grinder for a consistent grind size. 6. A mug or carafe to hold your coffee. 7. Clean, filtered water, preferably with a TDS of 150 ppm. Let's dive into the brewing process. Step 1. Prepare your equipment. Place your V60 dripper on your mug or carafe and put the paper filter into the dripper. Pre-wet the filter to get rid of any paper taste and preheat your equipment. Discard the rinse water. Step 2. Measure and grind your coffee. Weigh out 20 grams of coffee beans and grind them to a medium fine consistency, similar to the texture of table salt. Step 3. Heat your water. Heat your water to a temperature between 91 and 96 degrees. Step 4. Bloom your coffee. Pour your ground coffee into the pre-wet filter, make a small well in the center, and pour 40 grams of water over the coffee to let it bloom for 30 seconds. Step 5. The pouring technique. Now, we'll use a 2-pour method for an even extraction. Step 5A. First pour. Pour water in a slow, steady spiral until your scale reads 150 grams of water. This should take about 20–30 seconds. Step 5B. Second pour. Pour the remaining water in a spiral pattern until your scale reads 300 grams of water. This pour should also take about 20–30 seconds. Step 6. Let the coffee drain. Let the coffee drain through the filter. The total brewing time should be around 150 to 180 seconds. Step 7. Enjoy your perfect V60 coffee. Once the coffee has drained, remove the V60 dripper, dispose of the used grounds and filter, swirl your mug or carafe, and enjoy your perfect V60 coffee. That's it, folks. You've just made the perfect V60 coffee in just 5 minutes. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master this brewing method. Don't be afraid to experiment with different beans, grind sizes, and water temperatures to find your personal favorite V60 recipe. Thanks for joining us on this Brew-Tastic adventure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more coffee brewing tips and tricks. And as always, leave a comment below to let us know what brewing methods you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, happy brewing!